question, what are our price action only trading systems or strategies? Let's go take a look. Now, different people define price action differently. Most people define price action only meaning that you have a blank price chart. Okay? I mean, you have the bars on there, but you don't have any indicators. You don't have any trend lines. You don't have any of that. All right? So you just look at the bars and can trade, and that's a pretty impressive thing if you think about it. You know, so for example, let's say you have your friends over and you've gotten the system down pat, so you're not trying to figure things out in real time. So you just you've accepted this system. You can habitually trade it with like it's nothing. So you have your friends over and you just sit there looking at this price chart going up and down, and they see your trading account profits for the day grow and grow and grow. And so, I mean, think about it. It's pretty amazing. So it's an amazing skill to have. And so we have some very clear, I want to use the word easy to do, but you still have to learn to act and react and get used to this system so that you can react to different price action days. Each day, if you're day trading, has this different way of moving about on a price chart, right? If you have experience, you know that. Each day has its own speed, its own character, things like that, its own mood. All right. So you need to get used to that, and you need to get used to different actions and reactions with the price bar. Sometimes you could have a trigger that moves slowly, and you get in, and it and it's really nice and easy. Sometimes you can have a move that just starts off, it triggers you in, and then or it gives you the trigger, but just keeps on moving, and you may be late. So if you have worked it out, gotten used to the system to a point where you believe in it, then your speed of entry increases. Okay, your speed of entry increases. So even with a mover that just starts to trigger, that's a fast mover, you'll be able to hit it pretty close to the entry trigger point. Okay, so you have a slippage concepts, but the more you get used to a system, the less slippage you have. All right. If you're always doubting or trying to optimize or do something else in real time, you're going to have slippage and big slippage. You're going to be if you haven't done the methodical job in learning a system, little by little, then you're going to doubt it all over the place. You'll probably be filled with fear, and that means you'll miss the best trades. And then you'll get upset that you missed all the big runs, and you'll dive right in to the consolidation. The times where the asset doesn't move around much. That's just standard, classic across time in trading. But you need to know this, and you need to work it out. So there is absolute fortunes in trading to be made, especially if you can turn a consistently profitable method into a habit. All right, because then once you can make consistent profits, let's say with day trading every day, well, just imagine the compounding. What's compounding? It's simply increasing your position size in proportion to your account size, right? That's all, and use a percent-based model, okay? So that's all you need to do, and then you're going to make so much money that you start going parabolic in your growth curve, all right? You start making more money faster. So anyways, That's how it goes. So RESOLUTIO is price action. HUEISSIMO is price action. DUISSIMO is price action. So kind of went Italian there. I mean, I don't know if it's actually Italian. Yeah, it's more like spaghetti sauce Italian. But spaghetti sauce names. All right. And then boomerang is almost price action. You get a little help. It's pretty easy. Try it. Okay, so these are all, what's the word to use? Caveman. Actually, all of these are caveman easy. All these new ones. We made it just in reaction to students and stuff, you know. And plus, these are all 1 minute bars. You look at the track records. These have been able to pull in a lot of profit points. Okay, a lot. All right. So, I haven't seen those types of profit points out there in the industry. Probably, I could say ever. All right. That's how powerful these systems here are at Emini Trading Authority. Are these the best? You could argue that these are some of the best, but we have more. Okay, we have more. But you just need to learn one. Okay, or you can learn a bunch and then formulate your own method, which some of our students do that. They buy like everything we put out, which is a lot, but you know, some people can do that. Okay, cranker flow is not all price action. It has a little help, like it's like boomerang. Cranker core is all, I mean, that's like brutal price action. Okay, it's smashing out, and it produces this consistency, which is just so solid. And I mean, it's not the prettiest way, but it's one of the most solid. And I hate to use the word for sure, but how about it's in a for sure style, okay, way of entering and exiting to make money, you know, on a daily basis. You know, I'm not allowed to promise you future returns, etc., and you know, all that stuff. But for those who have common sense, they know they need to get the system, learn it, get good at it. Okay, get good, right? Get good at the system, and you just. It's like learning something else, anything else. You just go step by step and you'll get better and better. Now, it doesn't take that long to learn a system, okay, or a day trading system even. But compared to like learning a musical instrument, that takes forever, right? So here, just, I mean, on these systems, they're so clear and caveman easy. That's going to take what? I mean, it just depends how cluttered your mind is with gobbledygook you picked up over time from reading too many trading books, you know, or whatever. If you can just simply have a simple mind or use a simple mind state and learn the system, and you know, don't rush ahead trying to make money too fast. Then you could learn the system pretty well. I mean, get it down pretty well, and to be fair, a couple weeks. But to get it to the point where you fully believe in it, just methodical, step-by-step progression could be in as little as 4 weeks. I'm just throwing numbers out there. Okay? Some of you are fast learners, okay? You don't go through all the emotions. You just see, study. Okay, this, make things clear in your mind, then you do it. Yeah, that's a great thing to have if you can do that. So I just wanted to give you a picture. Now we have some others here. Firecrackers, price action. That's a great system. Okay, it trades 3-minute bars. I already forgot. Maybe 5-minute bars. So detonator. Oh, forgot about detonator. This got pushed down here. It's in this group. Detonator 11's in this group. Okay, 1-minute bars, price action. It can produce a ton of profit points. Okay, it has the ability to do that. Detonator logo got over here. Harvesters, price action. Detonator logo's getting around. All right, Rackham, Viceroy. Okay, so Reaper, 2 and 1. All right. $83 and 82. It's named after someone who really likes price action only and is allergic to trend lines. Okay, so we made those back when. All right, so that's about it. I'll just stop rambling on here. But hey, if you can get one of these, I would while we're still selling them, because maybe one day we won't. Right? Maybe one day we'll just use them for our trading companies, and that's it. So if you can get these, I would suggest that you get them. So you can start with one. If you can get them all, I mean, a lot of these can be automated too. So I would get them. All right. These are like mini superpowers, and put them to work. Keep pushing it, driving it through until you've got this running as a habit. Or maybe you can hire other people to trade it for you, things like that. Creative other solutions. Have a portfolio of systems. Okay. And so also, when you get a system, we have essentially free email coaching on you being successful at trading that system. That's valuable. A lot of students don't take advantage of that. Okay, you can learn a system very quickly this way. Just ask us questions, send us your screenshots to make sure you're choosing the entries and exits correctly, and we can help you get going, fast. Plus, we can even deal with the inner game stuff. So take advantage of it. All right, that's about it. Go to eminitradingauthority.com for more information on these price action systems. These price action day trading systems, these price action E-mini day trading systems, to clarify. So thank you for your time, and I hope we can get you rolling and start getting you into 4 figures a day. 5 figures a day. 4 figures, a couple thousand a day. We want to get you up into the 10,000s, 20,000, 30,000, 50,000s range. Okay? So, all right. Thanks.